Ted's Woodworking 16,000 Woodworking Plans. If you want to start a woodworking project, you need all the necessary information, including schematics, blueprints, materials lists, dimensions, etc. That is where Ted's Woodworking Plans comes in. The plans are clearly drawn and there are step-by-step explanations of how the plan should be done and put together. You will get everything you need, diagrams which are detailed with a full set of dimensions, step-by-step instructions how to start your project, the necessary materials for that particular project, all the woodworking tools you will need. If you are a beginner or have done some woodworking, you will find these plans easy to follow as the instructions are very clearly written. The woodworking plans are straightforward, so they are not complicated at all. Even if you are a total newcomer to woodworking, you will simply be able to master all the techniques that are needed on the woodworking skills very quickly by following the concise and clear instructions. Another thing which is so great about these woodworking plans is that there have been some videos included, and there are some to guide you in how to build benches, home furniture, dog houses, bird feeders, sheds and much more.
Hey everyone, Barry here in Nebraska. I'd like to give a big shout out to Ted. I recently came across Ted's woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program simply blew my mind. The content they offer with the course provided me with so many ideas for creative projects, as well as some awesome furniture ideas and plans that my wife now wants in our home. If you're considering buying Ted's woodworking course, the return on your investment will be lifelong. Being one that loves woodworking, I have to say they offer the most detailed collection of plans I've ever seen. I would also rank it as one of the best values of any woodworking course I've ever taken. Thanks for creating it, Ted. You did well.